Hey there, everybody. This is Mr. G. I'm just going to post a little video, a quick video about how to use Teams in the assignments. Now, for me and my class, and maybe for a lot of your other classes, you're going to have to attach maybe a picture or a photo from your phone to your assignment. And I'm just going to show you how to do that really quickly. Now, to do that, first thing we need to do is go to Teams. I'm going to go ahead and show you Teams. Now, here's my practice class. I call it the Hoopty class. I'm going to go to General. And this assignment I hear that's due April 7th, it's called Shoe Pick. I'm going to go ahead and view assignment on there. Now, let me change it to student view. This is what it's going to look like when you open it up. And it says, attach a picture of a shoe to the document attached and return it. Easy 100. So we got to love easy hundreds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Shoe Pick or tap on Shoe Pick, select it. Now, what comes up here, it's basically what's in that document. And what is in that document is attach a picture of a shoe and return it to me, G. And it has a little line here which shows me that's the bottom of the document. Now, you want to be able to attach something to this, but you can't just attach something here. What you need to do is you need to click on the little Word document or Microsoft Word icon down at the bottom. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to click on or select that, and there. Now the actual document is up. Now this document, it's just like Microsoft Office on your computer, except it's on your phone, and you're going to have to get used to, especially if you don't have a laptop, you're going to have to get used to using this mode of Microsoft Word. So what you do in order to edit this, to attach your picture of a shoe, is you click on that little pencil icon that's in the middle up top under the word pick here. So now I'm going to select that, and now we've got a keyboard, we've got bold, italics, we can change the color of stuff, we can even do bullets, and of course, let me click down here, push enter, put hey G. If you say hey or hi to me, that's great. I love it. I love communication in any way. Now, what we need to do now is actually attach a picture. Now, in order to do that, we're going to have to, right here where it says bold, italic, this little options bar, there is a little triangle there. Now, that we're going to push, and that goes down. Now we have our expanded menu, which is something like you would see at the top of your Microsoft Word screen. Now, where it says home, I'm going to click on that. Here you have what would otherwise be your tabs in on your computer screen. So I'm going to use insert, because what am I going to insert? Well, I have all these options of things to insert, but I want to insert a picture. Of course, a picture of my shoe. Now, if you haven't taken the picture yet, you can choose the camera icon. But if you've already taken the picture, like I have, you can choose photos. I'm going to choose photos, and there it accesses your phone camera. Now, the phone camera, in this case, I took a picture of a shoe. I don't have any other pictures here. But I'm going to go ahead and select that picture, and it comes up. Now from here, if I wanted to, I could edit it, maybe make it change the size of it or crop it out or do whatever I want. I could even change the colors and all that stuff, but I'm not going to. What I am going to do is I'm going to push done because I like it just the way it is. And I push done, and it's inserting my picture. Now I'm going to pinch to zoom out here. Let's see, so you can see. Now, it's a little big, so I'm going to go ahead and make it a little smaller, and I'm going to center it a bit so that it looks just right. And now that I like the way it looks, I'm going to go ahead and save it and turn it in. Now, in order to do that, I need to collapse this menu again, and it goes back to my keyboard. Now down here at the bottom, you've got keyboard and you've got an arrow pointing down. Now I push that arrow that's pointing down, and I go back to my regular expanded view, and up at the top you'll see a check mark. That check mark, once you're done, is what saves it. And there you go. Now, once it's saved, I can go back to my assignments. There's my shoe pick. And right here, if I go back one more and push it again, you'll see that I have got, oh, do I have to do this again? Here we go. This is what I'm going to see when I open your assignment. Now at this point, you will have the option to turn it in by either pushing return or turn in. I think it's turn in. Because I'm the teacher, it's not actually on my screen, but this is where you turn it in. And I go back, and then I can see that you have done your assignment. Then I can give you a grade. All right, so now, once again, this is a tutorial about attaching a picture to Microsoft Word in an assignment on your phone. Of course, I used an Android. If you have an iPhone and it's much different, I might have someone with an iPhone make the another tutorial, but from what I understand, Teams works pretty much the same way. All right, so if you have any questions, contact me through chat and or email, and I'll be glad to answer any questions. All right, so once again, distance learning, we're all about it, and we're going to stay productive. All right, so just remember, be safe, stay calm, and carry on.